Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make French toast. To begin, gather your simple ingredients: 4 slices of bread, 1 large egg, and 1/4 cup of milk. You will also need a pinch of cinnamon, a small amount of butter for the pan, a shallow dish for dipping, and a non-stick pan or griddle. Now, let's prepare the simple batter. Crack 1 large egg directly into your shallow dish. Whisk the egg vigorously until it is completely beaten and slightly frothy. Next, pour in 1/4 cup of milk and add a small pinch of cinnamon. Stir all these ingredients together until they are fully combined, creating your perfect dipping mixture. It's time to cook your delicious French toast. Heat your non-stick pan over medium heat and melt a small pat of butter. Carefully dip each slice of bread into your prepared batter, making sure both sides are evenly coated. Place the coated bread onto the hot pan and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color. Your homemade French toast is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately while it's warm and fresh. For a classic touch, drizzle with maple syrup or sprinkle with a bit of powdered sugar. If you prefer, fresh berries or sliced bananas also make wonderful toppings. This simple recipe proves you can create a delightful breakfast with just a few ingredients.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.